Ajwain, a spice with blood-purifying and antiseptic properties, is effective in treating skin infections due to its ability to cleanse the blood from within. Ajwain seeds are beneficial for skin due to their thyme content, which reduces bacterial growth, and their daily use can lead to cleaner skin. Ajwain, rich in antioxidants, combats free radicals, preventing oxidative stress, reducing premature aging and dull skin, and improves blood circulation for skin care. Ajwain essential oil contains thymol, an antibacterial ingredient, making it effective in treating cuts and wounds due to its antiseptic properties. Ajwain effectively treats pimple scars and marks, promoting a fresher, clearer appearance by eliminating scars and removing acne and pimple marks from the skin. Ajwain, a home remedy for acne scars, reduces pain and redness, contains potent thymol, an antiseptic, and targets melanin clusters, promoting clear, problem-free skin with anti-inflammatory properties.